Welcome to the tutorial video on how to read email reports in the system. In this video, we will cover all reports available for emails. To access email reports, click the envelope icon and select History. Scroll down to the Sent items and locate your message. Once you've located your message, click on the subject line and on the right-hand side, click Detailed Report. This will open the Overview report, which shows statistics that are grouped into cards to help you understand contact engagement at a glance. The basic statistics tell you how your readers interact with your messages. They are based on unique activity. What you see on the basic stats are the following: opens, clicks, social, unsubscribed, sent, bounced, and number of delivered emails. There are advanced statistics on the right-hand side, and they are calculated from the basic statistics. They are the click-to-open ratio, the list interaction percentage, as well as the number of SMSs sent on bounce. The social statistics show you how many times your contact has shared your message on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Use the devices card to know which devices are used the most to open your emails. This lets you tailor your email design to best suit your audience. The top city card shows you where your most engaged readers are located. It also shows you how many times your message was read in that city. The recipient's report gives you detailed statistics on how your subscribers are interacting with your email. The recipient's report will actually show you everyone who opened your email, clicked on a link in your email, shared it on social, anyone who has unsubscribed from your mailing list via this email, anyone who has complained and reported this email as spam, anyone whose email address has bounced, anyone who has forwarded this email using a forward link, and anyone who has updated their profile using the Update My Profile link. This report provides an interactive graph of each metric that is measured, as well as a table that will allow you to export all the information for further analysis. You can also zoom in on a specific date and time on the graph. Simply click and drag on the slider to adjust the date range shown in the graph. Hovering your mouse pointer on the graph will show a detailed breakdown of the statistics at that particular time. The content report gives you detailed information on which links within your email received the most clicks. You can use this info to design emails which get a higher click-through rate. This report consists of two sections: the heat map and the link report. The heat map shows a preview of your email with a color overlay on the clicked links. The more popular link, the redder the color. You can experiment with the link placement and use this report to figure out what layout works best for you. The link performance report has an interactive graph that shows clicks in the email over a period of time. The table on the link screen shows you which links were clicked, ranked from the most clicked to the least clicked. The platforms report gives you insights that you can further optimize your email designs for specific devices. This is dependent on which platforms most of your subscribers use. This report is divided into tabs for desktop, web, and mobile. The system will allow you to drill down into the statistics on each platform by clicking the relevant tab. It will then show you what platform each recipient used to open your email. The geolocation report shows you where your subscribers are located when they read your emails. The system uses IP addresses to get an approximate location for devices on which your emails are opened and clicked on. The geolocation report is divided into two sections: opens and clicks. You can switch between these by clicking the appropriate tab above the map. The Open screen shows you world map with the number of opens per country. On the right-hand side of the map is a block which lists the top 5 countries where your emails was viewed the most. On the Clicks tab, you can view clicks by country on the map. The Properties report shows you all the message properties you set up during message composition. If you have SMS on bounce activated, the system will automatically SMS contacts when their email addresses bounce. This report shows which recipients bounced, the date the bounce SMS was sent, the text of that message, and any reply received from the subscriber. This concludes all reporting metrics on email that are available on the system.